What's going on, people? It's Tom here from TMK Plumbing and Property Maintenance. So one of the jobs today was the siphon seal, and it's so easy to do. Literally, you take the center ring off and then change the seal. Literally as easy as that. And put it back in, there's the twist, clips back in, there you go, easy job. Then the job after that is a radiator that wasn't getting hot, and the valves were basically faulty, so I had to change them. So yeah, let's get it.